It's a mystery box. Okay, I just pulled some things out of it. Look at what else is in here. Veneer! Veneer is awesome. You can use it on cards. I've used it on cards and other fun things. So excited. So this is the cherry veneer. It's the darker color. Love this one. Look what they made with it. Amazing. And smooth glitter paper. This is glitter, but it's smooth. How fun is this? Very cool. So you got silver and black, and then you have these patterns. These are fun. Can you see that glitter? So fun! And then foil embossed silver and black. These are one of my favorites. You get 2 of each sheet. Look at that one. How cool! Isn't that cool? Look at that. Oh, wait a minute. You get more than 2 sheets. Look! Kobe, look at that. So cool! So here's the back. You have 4 sheets. You got 3 of each sheet. Yay! Kobe is so excited, he wants it too. Premium holographic bubbles. Look at that, vinyl. This one is the Art Deco holographic. When I showed these in projects, you guys went crazy. So pretty. Express iron-on. Okay, you guys, this express iron-on is really cool. It does it in half the time. But not only that, it's thinner. So it doesn't feel like you can't feel it on your shirt as much because it's thinner. It's awesome. I've had some people really tell me how much they love this one. More express iron-on. This is bright red. This will be great for Christmas, Valentine's Day, 4th of July. So many holidays with red. Awesome. Glitter iron-on mesh. So it's this mesh. And if you don't do iron-on shirts, you can use these on paper also. But these look really cool on shirts. Oh, they did it on a little leather wallet. And this one's white glitter mesh. So fun. Love these. They did it on a towel, on a little wallet. Shirts are great. Party foil. Look at the sparkle. These, you get 2 sheets. One is that sparkle one. 4 feet long of each sheet. You can use this in your embossing machine. You can emboss it. You can glue it onto cards. You can make these things that fall in spirals from the ceiling. There is even a whole image set in Design Space dedicated to this product. And iron-on mosaic, black squares. Really cool. These are really easy to weed. You don't have to weed each one. There's 2 sheets of transfer to it. It's amazing and so cool. And this is an awesome, awesome mystery box. Black, white, and red all over, I think is the name of it. There's a link to it in the description below. Make sure you click that link. I do get a very small commission when you click that link. And don't forget to use my discount code. If you get $50 in your cart, you get 10% off and free shipping with my code INSPIRE. All right, guys, so excited to use these products. Make sure you click the link below and do it fast because these usually sell out pretty quickly. All right, love you guys. See you in the next video.